In the world of industrial data collection and storage, batch historian and data historian serve different purposes based on the manufacturing process. Data historian focuses on continuous manufacturing processes, monitoring various parameters like temperature, pressure, and flow rates across the entire operation. It identifies trends, troubleshoots issues, and optimizes efficiency by analyzing vast amounts of data. On the other hand, batch historian targets data related to recipes and events during each batch run. It analyzes data from individual batches to optimize production cycles, ensure quality control, and identify areas for improvement in the recipe or process for future batches. Here's an analogy to solidify the difference. Imagine a video camera constantly recording everything in a factory for data historian, while batch historian is like a security camera specifically set up to record activity in designated zones during defined periods, providing a detailed picture of what happens within each batch.